Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be discussing a very interesting topic, manual versus automatic transmission. Which is better? Imagine you're about to buy your dream car. The paint is gleaming, the seats are perfect, and the engine hums like a song. But then the big question hits you. Do you go for manual or automatic transmission? It's a debate as old as the cars themselves, and both sides have passionate supporters. Today, let's dive into the world of transmissions and figure out once and for all which is better for you. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share the video. So let's begin. Gears, what is a transmission anyway? Think of a transmission as your car's middleman between the engine and the wheels. Your engine creates power, but the transmission controls how that power is delivered, whether you're cruising smoothly at highway speeds or crawling in bumper-to-bumper traffic. Now, there are two main types. Manual transmission, where you, the driver, control gear changes with a clutch pedal and stick shift. Automatic transmission, where the car does the gear shifting for you, leaving you with just two pedals, brake and accelerator. Simple difference, right? But the driving experience couldn't be more different. Manual transmission, the purist's choice. Let's start with the manual. When you drive stick, you're in full control. Every gear change is your decision, every clutch movement is your command. It's engaging, it's raw, and it makes you feel connected to the machine. Advantages of manual? Lower cost. Manuals are usually cheaper to buy, repair, and maintain. Durability. With proper care, a manual gearbox can outlast an automatic. Fuel efficiency. Sometimes. Older manuals were more efficient, though modern automatics are catching up fast. Driving experience. Enthusiasts love the thrill of shifting gears and mastering the clutch. Downsides of manual? Traffic nightmare. Constant clutch work in heavy traffic can feel like a workout. Learning curve. Not everyone finds learning stick easy. It takes practice, patience, and maybe a few stalls along the way. Resale value? Fewer people today want manuals, which can make resale tougher. Automatic transmission, the comfort king. Now on the flip side, we have the automatic. It's smooth, it's easy, and it's the go-to choice for most modern drivers. Just hop in, shift into D, and go. No clutch, no gear shifting stress. Advantages of automatic? Ease of use, perfect for city traffic and new drivers. Convenience. Hands-free gear shifting means you can focus more on the road. Resale value. Automatics are in high demand, making them easier to sell. Technology boost. Many modern automatics are equipped with advanced systems, offering faster shifts and better efficiency than ever before. Downsides of automatic. Higher cost, more expensive upfront, and repairs can be pricier. Less engaging. Purists argue that automatics take the fun out of driving. Durability. While improving, some automatics don't last as long as a well-maintained manual. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share the video. Manual versus automatic, head-to-head. So, how do they stack up against each other? For performance enthusiasts, manuals give you more control and a closer connection to the car. Automatics, especially modern ones, can actually shift faster than humans, but they lack that tactile engagement. For daily drivers, automatics win hands down. They make commuting easier, especially in stop-and-go traffic. For budget buyers, manuals are usually more affordable. But if you plan to resell the car, an automatic might hold its value better. For longevity, a manual, when treated right, can run longer. Automatics, while improving, often cost more to repair when things go wrong. So, which is better? The truth is, neither is universally better. It depends on you. If you love driving, want more control, and don't mind learning a skill that makes you feel more connected to your car, go manual. If you value convenience, comfort, and ease in traffic, an automatic is your best friend. At the end of the day, the better choice is the one that fits your lifestyle. Manuals are like playing a guitar. You create the rhythm, you set the pace. Automatics are like listening to a playlist. The car handles the tempo while you sit back and enjoy the ride. So next time you're car shopping, don't just look at the badge or the paint color. Ask yourself, do I want to command every gear shift or let the car do the work for me?
Because when it comes to manual versus automatic transmission, the winner isn't what's under the hood, it's what feels right in your hands. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Your support will help keep the content coming. Stay safe and see you in the next one.